Blacktown City Libraries provides a wide range of online resources that can be easily accessed from the comfort of your own home. Today, we will focus on IndyReads, another platform for all your ebook and e-audiobook needs. To access IndyReads on your computer, visit our website at blacktown.nsw.gov.au/libraries. Once the homepage has loaded, scroll down and select the eLibrary tab. This will bring your list of all our eLibrary platforms. This does not include our other resources like databases, learning tools, and useful websites. Those resources can be found on our digital library page instead. Click on the IndyReads logo. On this homepage, you can immediately browse the collection. On the top right-hand side, you will notice the My Account button. Click on this and choose Blacktown City Libraries. Enter your library card details and then your PIN. You can use the search bar to search for a particular title or author, or you can explore a variety of curated lists and genres that may interest you. Once you have found the item you wish to borrow, select the title and click Borrow to confirm the loan. There are two ways of reading your items when using IndyReads on a computer. One way is to download the book, however you will need to install additional software for free to use it properly. There are instructions and prompts for you to follow right here on the screen. Another way is to read the item through your browser immediately, just like this. This platform can also be accessed through the IndyReads app, if you prefer. That's it! Welcome to IndyReads! Feel free to contact library staff online, over the phone, or in person with any questions you may have.